Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm Dennis, and today we're talking about, is it expensive to get into film photography? Well, I'm going to show that it can be pretty cheap. So today we're looking at this graphic 35 millimeter camera. It's actually a rangefinder camera. You actually have these two buttons here that operate the rangefinder, and so it's a pretty nice camera. It's probably from probably 50s or early 60s. But anyway, I bought this on eBay for $10. Of course, had shipping in there, so if you can find something local for around $10 or even $5, I have box cameras that I paid $5 for that I actually use. But if you want to get a little bit more of a quality picture, I suggest starting out with a 35 millimeter and seeing what you can find. But this one here is it's an f3.5 50 millimeter lens, and so it would suit you really well and be a nice camera to start out with. So I want to show you some of the pictures that were taken using this camera. So let's get looking at pictures. This is a local falls right in the downtown where I live. Just out and about. Still just out and about. Some places I go walking around. Old bridge built probably around, I don't know, 1880, 1860, somewhere around there. Just a local barn that I like photographing. And again, just local barn. Old vacant house. Just part of the local barn. So this will wind up viewing the pictures, and then we'll get back to the video. Well, that's going to wrap up this video on how much or how expensive is it to get into film photography. Actually, today, probably the film is the expensive part. But still, if you shop around and don't go for the real high-end films, especially starting out, then it shouldn't be too bad. The fun outweighs it. So, hey, if you could hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, certainly would be appreciated. Give the video a thumbs up. YouTube really likes that part and helps us out. So that'll wind up. You can get into film photography pretty reasonable. Hey, grab that camera you have and go out and take some pictures today. Hey, catch you in the next video.